Today I'm going to do a review about this car right here. Still in the plastic, so I'm not sure what to expect. Well, a little bit, because it is from the brand Xcartoys, and that is a very good diecast brand. I've never heard of this car. Hongqi H9 Project Wengcheng with extreme wide body kit, 3-liter supercharged V6 petrol engine, and double turbojet engines. That sounds pretty impressive. The reason I bought it, the looks of the car. I think it looks totally awesome. And I was not expecting that it came in a huge box like this, and it comes with a mini car book. Not sure if it is in English, but it says mini car book, so who knows. Yeah, here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. And oh, this is cool. Some pictures of the real car. I like that. And there even comes flames out of the back. Okay, so this is what inside. Keychain, mini car book, and the 164 diecast car. Some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Okay, now let's open this. Let's take a knife. There we go. And then, okay, this is the book. Okay, so the book is also part of the box. And here, oh, this looks very nice. This is very well done. And like I said, Xcartoys is a really cool diecast brand. They have a lot of creative minds over there. Okay, let's see how we do this. So I think it's best to do it like this. So here we see a picture of the diecast car, and yeah, like I was expecting, it is in Chinese. We have a lot of pictures. I think this is the concept when they start drawing it. The inside, lights, rims, flames out of the back. Okay. A lot of pictures, not much text. Okay, maybe this is one of the designers. Got another picture here, and here a camera that is making the picture. Another picture of the car. Yes, I hear you talking. Show us the diecast car. I know, I'm curious myself. Okay, here we got the real deal. I think it looks totally awesome. Okay, some more text. Maybe you can translate it with Google Translate. 23. Nice back also with the red lights. That is sick. Okay, this is the normal version. China First Automobile Works. So I think I know this car. Excuse me. Because I did a review about the other Chinese cars, and I think this is the same brand. And that was also from the brand Xcartoys. Here we got the exhaust. And there's even a display in the sun protection. Engine. Maybe this piece is for the flames. And here we got the 164 car. Can't wait to open it. Okay, some more specs. And this is the end. Okay, now we're going to open the box. The moment we've all been waiting for. Sorry you have to wait so long. Here is the keychain. I have to say that is a pretty cool looking collectible. What an amazing looking car, so styleful. Well, that's my opinion. Maybe you think, that's not my thing, I don't like it. Whoa, look at that interior. That steering wheel, the dashboard, colors on the dashboard. Metal body, metal base, rubber tires. Tires in the back are wider than the ones in the front. Normal screw here. The exhaust also looking authentic. Carbon fiber here in the back. Lanced rear lights. Lanced headlights. This beauty has it all. But look at that interior. That is amazing. I love that. So much details. Maybe this is a little bit too much, yeah. Thought so. Look at all those colors on the dashboard. Wow. And I saw something else. Check this out. You think, what is that? What is this? Well, this is why I'm such a fan from Xcartoys. I'm always saying it's all about the details. Can you see what it is? These are the flames that come out of the bag. I think you can put them in here. How cool is this? Seriously? Holy smoke. Yeah, and it rolls perfect. Seriously, I love this car. What a fantastic car. Hey, the side mirrors are rubber with silver sticker on it. Also the back. Sweet. Door handles, fuel cap, everything is there. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you think about this car. Don't forget to smash the like button. Well, if you like the video. Have all a very nice evening, and I'll see you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.